Post-Combustion Carbon Capture and Storage Working Principle. As the maritime and industrial sectors push to reduce emissions, carbon capture technologies are becoming increasingly important. Among the available solutions, solvent-based carbon capture systems are currently among the most widely adopted. But how do these systems actually work? Conventional post-combustion carbon capture is mainly composed of two process units: the absorber and the stripper. The absorber uses a lean chemical solvent to capture CO2 from the exhaust gas, while the stripper regenerates the solvent for recirculation within the system. Because the solvent is highly sensitive to gas impurities and temperature, exhaust gases must first be cooled and conditioned before entering the carbon capture plant. This process typically starts with a quencher, where the gas temperature is reduced before entering the absorption tower. Inside the absorber, the CO2 capture process takes place. Amine solvent, one of the most commonly used chemical absorbents, is sprayed from the top of the tower to absorb CO2 from the exhaust gas. The CO2-rich solvent is then transferred to the stripper unit. Inside the stripper, the solvent is heated to release the captured CO2 in gaseous form. The regenerated solvent is then recirculated back into the system, while the extracted CO2 is compressed and prepared for storage. Designing an efficient post-combustion CCS plant involves several critical engineering challenges: spaces and layout integration, energy required for CO2 capture and solvent regeneration, back pressure and temperature management. Failure to properly assess even one of these aspects can lead to operational issues, increased costs, and major design rework during later project phases. At Flowazur Consulting, we develop feasibility studies for carbon capture systems and support EPC contractors and owners throughout the engineering phase, simplifying complex integration challenges while reducing project risk. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work at sea. Reach us at flowazur.com.